Hello YouTubers, welcome back to Healthy Food Crush Food Facts. Did you know that getting your daily potassium can lower your risk of stroke? Potassium stands as a critical mineral and electrolyte essential for maintaining optimal blood pressure, facilitating nutrient transportation into cells, and promoting the proper functioning of nerves and muscles in the body. It is classified as an indispensable nutrient because the human body cannot produce it internally. Consequently, the fulfillment of daily potassium requirements, commonly referred to as the daily value, necessitates the consumption of potassium-rich foods. Studies estimate that less than 0.15% of American adults successfully meet the recommended daily potassium intake. This deficiency is often exacerbated by Western diets that are characterized by low potassium and high sodium content, two factors that heighten the risk of heart disease. For most individuals, the recommended daily potassium intake is set at 4,700 milligrams. Initial symptoms of potassium deficiency encompass constipation, fatigue, muscle weakness, and a general sense of unwellness. In more severe cases, deficiencies can manifest as increased urine dilution, muscle paralysis, and irregular heart rhythms, among other symptoms. Although bananas are commonly associated with potassium, they are not the sole contenders. A medium banana contains around 9% of the daily value for this mineral. Most people consider it to be a go-to food to increase their potassium intake, but there are many other foods you need to consider to provide you with even more potassium. Here are 18 foods that pack more potassium than a banana. Number 1, avocado. Half an avocado provides 345 milligrams of potassium, equivalent to 7% of the daily value. Consuming a whole avocado will offer nearly 15% of the daily value in one go. What's more, avocados may benefit people with high blood pressure who often need to increase their potassium and reduce their sodium intake. Number 2, sweet potatoes. 1 cup serving of mashed sweet potatoes offers 16% of the daily value for potassium. They are also an excellent source of vitamin A, which is critical for vision. The same serving of sweet potatoes provides more than 200% of the daily value of vitamin A. Number 3, spinach. A single cup of frozen spinach delivers 12% of the daily value for potassium. Frozen spinach also boasts high levels of vitamin A, K, folate, and magnesium. Number 4, watermelon. 2 wedges at 572 grams of watermelon supply just under 14% of the daily value for potassium. Watermelon is also a great source of magnesium, vitamin A, and vitamin C. Number 5, coconut water. 1 cup serving of coconut water contains 13% of the daily value for potassium. It's also a good source of magnesium, sodium, and manganese. Number 6, beans. White beans in particular offer twice the potassium content of a banana, with a 1 cup serving providing 21% of the daily value. Black beans offer 13% of the daily value in the same serving. Number 7, legumes. Lentils, chickpeas, soybeans, and peanuts belonging to the legume family are rich in potassium. A 1 cup serving of lentils delivers 15% of the daily value, while chickpeas offer 10%, soybeans 19%, and peanuts offer 23% of your daily value of potassium. Number 8, tomato paste. 3 tablespoons of tomato paste contain over 10% of the daily value for potassium. Tomato paste is also a source of vitamin C and lycopene, a potent antioxidant. Number 9, butternut squash. 1 cup serving of butternut squash provides 12% of the daily value for potassium. It's also rich in vitamins A, C, B vitamins, vitamin E, and magnesium. Number 10, potatoes. 1 medium boiled potato offers 12% of the daily value for potassium. However, there are many varieties of potatoes, and their potassium content may depend on the soil in which they're grown. Number 11, dried apricots. A half a cup of dried apricots delivers 16% of the daily value for potassium. Dried apricots are also a good source of fiber, vitamin A, and vitamin E. Number 12, Swiss chard. 1 cup of cooked Swiss chard provides 20% of the daily value for potassium, more than twice that of a banana. It's also rich in vitamin K, vitamin A, and dietary fiber. Number 13, beets. A 1 cup serving of boiled beets contains 11% of the daily value for potassium. Beets are also a source of nitrates, which support blood vessel function and heart health. Number 14, pomegranate. 1 whole fruit of pomegranate supplies 14% of the daily value for potassium. Pomegranates are a rich source of folate, vitamin C, and K, and boast a higher protein content compared to most fruits. Number 15, fruit and vegetable juices. A 1 cup serving of either orange or grapefruit juice provide approximately 10% of the daily value. Pomegranate juice also offers 11% of the daily value. Some vegetable juices such as carrot and tomato juice contain potassium as well. Number 16, fish. Lean and fatty fish varieties including cod, haddock, salmon, and tuna offer potassium. Half a fillet of cooked cod provides 12% of the daily value, while salmon offers 21% and tuna 17% of the daily value. Fatty fish like salmon and tuna are also very rich in heart-healthy omega-3 fatty acids. Number 17, yams. 1 cup serving of cooked cubed yams deliver 19% of the daily value for potassium. Number 18, salt substitutes. Salt substitutes designed to lower sodium intake often replace sodium with potassium. Some salt substitutes contain 100% potassium chloride, providing 11% of the daily value in just 1 gram. It's worth noting that individuals with kidney or liver issues may need to exercise caution when using potassium-rich salt substitutes. In summary, while bananas are recognized for their potassium content, numerous other wholesome foods including sweet potatoes, legumes, and beets offer higher potassium levels per serving. The key to meeting your potassium needs is diversifying your daily diet to include a wide range of plant-based foods. Additionally, certain fish varieties can serve as valuable animal-based sources of this essential mineral. Thank you so much for watching Healthy Food Crush Food Facts. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more healthy food facts.